Our kind shall lead our nation. Our dream is set to dawn. Our time has come to see light with God's enduring might. Success to us is so bright. The rule of the stars is near. The glory of the dear. Gone are the days of indolence. Our hard time has appeared. Recoletos, lex servos. Recoletos, lex servos. Need not waste more time to prove that our star is rising. Though the ladder we're climbing is high, we notice our chance of falling. To serve God and mankind is the reason why we're fighting. To gain what we desire is keeping us from not failing. United we shall stand for progress in this land. We'll fight to achieve